Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to start by going into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow in all of them. Then click Home button. Now you need to access devices settings, scroll down, tap on apps and click on default apps. Lastly, choose Home app and tap on iOS Launcher. Then click on Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. But you can always switch between those layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps, Default Apps and Home app. If you want to go back into your Motorola one, just click on Moto. In order to switch to iOS, just click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!